Vibes are set. That is a huge flame. My biggest fear is these flowers catching on fire. 1 second. One thing about bangs is that their favorite thing is to not cooperate. Hi guys. Hi. Oh my god. I don't know if the bangs have been like properly introduced to YouTube yet. I got them shorter this time though, so I should be able to wear them for like 3 weeks to a month. These are my bangs. I love them. I think that anyone can pull off bangs, and I know that's kind of a stretch. I just think if you are confident in them and you tell yourself you have the ability to rock them, I think you can pull them off. So if you want to get bangs, even if they're just curtain bangs, you should get them because they add something to your hair, and it's also like kind of like a bold statement. Like, anyways, welcome to this video. This is a Princess Polly haul. You guys know I love working with Princess Polly. This is probably like the 10th time I've worked with them, maybe more than that. I love their clothes, genuinely wear them. I've already worn pieces that I'm showing in this haul, and I got the package on Saturday. It's Monday. So as usual, I have a code for you guys. It's 20JJ. You can get 20% off the Princess Polly website. You guys know the whole rundown, but I'm just gonna go through a quick little overview if you don't. Princess Polly offers Afterpay and Shop Pay to all US customers, meaning you can do increments of payments rather than paying it all at once. It is a great way to not have to like just drop all the money at one time, so you can pay in increments. And Princess Polly does ship from within the United States, and they have free express shipping on orders over $50, so your order comes in 3 to 4 days, and you don't even have to pay for express shipping. You just have to spend more than $50, which will not be hard on their website. There's so many good things right now. Fall fashion and winter fashion are hands down my favorite seasons to dress for. I love anything with a turtleneck, a mock neck. I love anything baggy. I just love big oversized clothes. I just feel more comfortable in the fall and winter because I can just wear huge clothes and it fits the weather. I'm just gonna start showing you guys the stuff in this haul, starting with the sweater I'm wearing. It's this nice little turtleneck. It's cropped. I have another one of these in a different color from their website, and it's the softest material. Like, you know how some sweaters are like kind of itchy? It's not itchy. It's so freaking soft. I love it. And then I'm also wearing these earrings from Princess Polly. I've been really into like big hoops recently. I've been wearing hoops with all of my outfits recently. I'm just gonna start with this little tote bag I got because in New York, people love their tote bags. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be perfect to like put my laptop in and stuff when I'm like going to coffee shops, and you can actually fit so much in this. This nice like green suede, and it's a really great size. Like, it's not too big, but it can fit like a laptop and books. Whatever else you need to put in your water bottle, what I would put in my tote bag. But no, this is a great size tote bag. There's also a little like pocket and then a zipper pocket. Genius. I love this, and I will be using this a lot. Okay, now I'm gonna do these shoes. So we have these loafers. Actually need to take this off. All right, these loafers. You guys know I was a huge sneaker girl last year, but I've kind of strayed away from the sneakers a little bit. I got a little bored with just only wearing different colors of Jordan 1s. I'm expanding my shoe game, getting rid of some of my sneakers and incorporating some more, you know, like stylish, chic shoes. So I got these loafers. They're these nice, like big, chunky platform loafers. They have this little gold detail. I love these. I feel like they're gonna be so cute with like skirts, tights. If you're going to get one like fall themed shoe, it's loafers. They just go with everything. We're going into clothes. First thing I got is this cute little New York City green crop top. I love little tops like this for specifically wearing around the house. I like having cute little like lounge clothes. I just love having nice little graphic tees. This color green has been one of my favorite colors recently, so that is why I was gravitated towards this one specifically. But yeah, it's really cute. New York City. I live in New York City. Genius. Next thing we have is this cute little halter moment we have going here. It's like a tan color. I don't know why it's showing up kind of pink. Has the halter, and then I love the little detailing we have right here. This little nice opening. It does cover your boobs. It doesn't have any under boob or any action. I love the fit of this. It's a good going out top, I feel like. I think this is one of the favorite things I got. I love this one. I also got another halter top, which I already wore this. It is this cropped black sheer halter. And the thing is, it looks like super sheer, but see that like patterning? The pattern in it? I don't know how. I was like scared I was gonna put this on and it would be completely see-through, but something about the pattern like doesn't let anything be shown. So like when you put it on, you can't see. Although it is see-through right here on the bottom half, which I like. I feel like that's a nice little like detail. Wore this out the other night. Loved it. This is maybe my second favorite thing I got. These brown jeans. I don't know if they're jeans or more like suede material. I love the color brown in the fall. It's an obvious one. And these are just a great fit. They're like mid-rise. I've been really into low-rise recently, but I like the mid-rise for when I don't feel like having my whole stomach out. These are the most perfect length on me. They're like long a little bit, which I like. I like when they're baggy at the bottom if they're too long. And that is hard to come across with my long legs. These are fantastic, wonderful. They're super like a really nice baggy fit. I got them a size up. They're like a bit baggy on the waist, but I don't know what is going on with my voice today. Are we back? Not really. Then I got this little skirt. I'm obsessed with this. I love the buckling detailing on the side and then the pleated bottom. I love when you wear skirts like this and then layer a sweater or like a button up over them, so you just see like the little ruffles poking out on the bottom. This is a great wash as well. I like the dark denim in the fall. I feel like it's not really light wash season, it's more of dark wash season. This with tights, sweater, loafers, that is the ideal fall outfit. Then we have some more like outerwear pieces. First off is this big black puffer vest. I love this. I feel like this with like a sweatshirt and even sweatpants or jeans is such like a nice cozy vibe. I just love the way this looks. We brought vests back and I'm very happy about it. It's actually so warm as well. I'm like really sweating right now. I'm gonna be probably getting the most use out of this, out of all the things, just because you can wear it with so much. It's very versatile. Okay, lastly, actually, I think I may have lied because this is my favorite thing. This is 100% my favorite thing I got. I saw it and I gasped for air. How do you say gasped? Gasped. Why is that such a difficult word to say? I don't really have words when it comes to this. I am speechless. Faux fur jackets are, I feel like they're like one of the biggest trends right now, and I'm a sucker for black jackets, black leather jackets specifically, and then with the freaking detailing, come on. And then you can take the sleeves off if you don't really want to if you don't want to have all this fur, which I will never be taking these off because I'm simply obsessed. It is this perfect length trench. It's just the perfect length. It makes you look so like bundled up and cozy, which I love. All their faux fur jackets are so like selling out really fast, so this was like one of the last ones. I'm really happy I was able to receive it. If you're gonna order anything, I would suggest this because it's gonna probably be out of stock soon, if not already. I'm sorry if it already is. I'm just in love with it. That concludes our haul with Princess Polly. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. Don't forget you can use my code 20JJ if you want 20% off your order, and all of this stuff will be linked in the description if you want to just like directly click on the links of the specific pieces. It'll all be in the description, and yeah, more videos coming your way. This is like the time of the year I get very motivated to put out videos because everyone's doing Vlogmas and things like that. Don't think we're doing Vlogmas this year. We all know how that went last year. I think I got 5 days in and I stopped. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. It cut me off, but happy holidays. I love you. Smooches. Bye.